everybody, and thanks for joining me for our tip a day for these 20 days. And we are on tip number 13 already. Tip number 13 is about organizing your words. This is a regular question I get asked. What do I do with words? First thing you need to sort of take into account is when you look at something that has words on it, about 80% of the time, those words are specific to a theme, sentiment, or holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, let's go to the beach, hot sun, those types of things. They're going to fit into a category in your 4-section system, right? So they're either going to fit somewhere in a theme, like beach, birthday, sentiment, thank you, or holidays and seasons, Happy Easter, Merry Christmas, that type of thing. For all those other words, just kind of inspirational, sort of generic words, awesome, great, beautiful, those types of things. I just have a section in my scrap rack, WOW, Words of Wisdom I call it. A lot of the things in there are just little quotes and sentiments and inspirations. And that's where they are. Now you could just call your section words. I just like wow, WOW, Words of Wisdom. I think it's a little bit more fun, but whatever. All those extra words, those inspirations, those motivations, things that don't fit into another theme or category, just group them all in that words section. Now if it's in a scrap rack, you're going to be able to flip through really easily and see what all those words are. You can group them by size, which is important, because if you're working on a card versus working on a 12 by 12 layout versus working on a home decor project, the size is different and relevant. So you can group them by size in there, and then you're able to flip through, see exactly what you need. If you're not using a scrap rack, then I would look at something that's a bigger but not huge storage option, like the Kiwi Lane 12 by 6 storage box with the pockets, because then you're going to get 12 inches by 6 inches. You know, that's a pretty big word, so most of your bigger words are going to fit in there. And then you've got the smaller pockets within that Kiwi Lane system as well, and that'll help you get those words organized also. So my tip for you today, keep all the words, sentiments, inspirations, and motivations that are not holiday, theme, or event specific together in a Words of Wisdom, a wow section in your scrap rack or in a storage box. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll see you tomorrow.